I knew it was love the first night we met.
You laughed at something
I don't even get. You were halfway in, I was all the way gone. Felt like forever had already begun.
I wasn't so sure we were getting it right.
You felt like a spark,
I was guarding the light.
I'd been down roads that didn't go far,
so I kept a little distance in my heart.
I heard forever in the way you said my name.
I heard a warning,
Thought it might be just a game. I hear those love bells ringing,
somewhere deep inside.
been ringing since that first hello.
I tried to run, but I can't hide.
This ain't some I do moment. No aisle, no dress, no vows.
It's just two hearts finally knowing
What we couldn't say out loud. You stayed right there when I pulled away.
never pushed hard, never begged me to stay.
Somewhere between my doubts and your truth,
I started believing in me and you.
I never stopped believing.
I never needed time to see.
I needed time to believe.
Now we're standing in the same place,
Hearing what our hearts repeat. I hear those love bells ringing,
louder than before.
no need for perfect timing.
We don't question it anymore.
This ain't some I do moment,
But it feels just like the start,
of every promise we'll ever make.
already written in our hearts.
I knew it was love that night.